For those of you that want a menacing look but also has that classy style, carbonized gray is the color for you. This is it on the 2025 Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition, 785 horsepower, a limited production truck, and a color like no other. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford, where you can take a look at our inventory 24/7, reddickbrownford.com, or be sure to check out our social media channels at Reddick Brown Ford, at Brock Patterson, to see all our daily outlooks on inventory that's arriving and our special offers just for you. And that's right, now through Memorial Day, May 26, 2025, buy a 2025 Shelby F-150 Off-Road or Super Snake truck and receive a free custom golf cart or a Reddick Brown Ford private offer. While supplies last, this is an incredible year for you to grab a 2025 Shelby F-150.